In this video, you will learn how to make your own milk bath for your feet at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to my Podiatry channel where we talk about all things feet. My name is Deidré if we're meeting for the first time. So without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so to prepare your milk bath for your loved one, you want to light some candles to set the mood, get them calm and relaxed. Then you want to make sure that you have a bowl that's big enough for both of the feet. Then you also want to use some plastic liners. The plastic liner is to make sure that you don't cross-infect just in case you're sharing the bowl at home with someone else. The next thing you need to do is fill the bath with water. Enough water to immerse the feet into the bath. Now make sure you test the temperature of the water to make sure that it doesn't burn the skin. So you can use a thermometer or you can use your elbows. The next thing that you need is 2 cups of milk. Any milk that you have at home. The more fat in the milk, the better. I'm just going to use semi-skimmed milk because that's what I have at home. But if you have full fat milk, you can use that. And I'm only going to put in 2 cups of milk. If you're vegetarian, you can use plant-based milk, so almond milk or soy milk. If you have buttermilk, you can also use buttermilk because buttermilk is like a sour milk, so it has more lactic acid in there. And you know that lactic acid is good for exfoliating the feet. So now that we have the milk bath there, then we're going to add some essential oils. Now this step is additional if you're feeling creative. And today out of my pack, I'm going to use a bit of Maluka. So this is like tea tree oil. It's good, it has good antifungal properties. So I'm going to put 1 drop of Maluka. Whoops. That was a bit too much, but don't tell. And then, because this is the good stuff and it's quite pure, I'm going to balance it out with some fractionated coconut oil. And I'm going to put 10 mils of this oil in the water. So I've just got my measuring devices here. So the reason why you want to put the fractionated coconut oil in is just to make sure that it doesn't burn the skin. We don't want that. So to make sure that I get all the oils out, I'm just going to Immerse it in the water to make sure everything comes off. Then I'm going to add the last few couple of mils. Give it a little stir. Oh, if you can smell this, it smells heavenly. And then, to make this even more special and make your loved ones feel even more special, I am using some leftover rose. So this is one way of making sure that you don't waste good flowers. I got these flowers. Why did I get these flowers? I think I got these. I can't remember. That is terrible. So to make sure that you don't waste good flowers, you can put them inside of your milk bath. Now this is really on my brain. Why did I get these flowers? Oh my goodness. We just celebrated Valentine's Day. That's right. So these are my Valentine's Day flowers. And these are my favorite ones. So I'm just going to take a stem off this and add some color. How beautiful does this look? Absolutely beautiful. Just give it a stir. And there you have it. Your milk bath is ready for your loved one to sink their feet into and enjoy. And you want to soak the feet for 20 to 30 minutes in this beautiful milk bath.